Today's video is specially for short-heighted girls. Means if you are shorter than 5 feet 3 inches, then what kind of clothes you should be wearing and what all you need to keep in mind in your day-to-day dressing. So do stick with me till the end. Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. Even if you are short, it doesn't really mean that you also need to look short. You can use certain tricks in your dressing that will help you create an illusion as if you are much taller than your actual height. So let's begin. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You may also follow me on Instagram. Let's start with the necklines. You can go for any top or a kurta with a V neckline. This will make your neck more visible and hence will make your body frame also look longer. And it would create an illusion that the wearer is also pretty tall. But you will look comparatively shorter if you are wearing anything that has a zero neckline. Very few people know or would tell you that full sleeves are the easiest trick to look taller. And if it's churidar, means if it has a lot of gathers here in the front, then even better. Try this style and you yourself will see a difference that just longer looking arms are making you also look taller. Then another very simple element of design that you can easily adapt in your outfits to look taller, that is wear anything that has lines. And the most obvious way to add lines are stripes. Wear vertical stripes to look taller and not horizontal. Vertical means straight standing stripes. Anarkalis that have the kalis starting from the shoulder elongate the vision, and because of the wide flare, it gives a slimmer look as well. In fact, any flowy style will make you look taller. A-line styles really suit well on short-heighted women. So you can try few of these. It will elongate the vision and give you an illusion of a taller body. Keep these A-line dresses in a single cut from top to the hemline. Means you need to avoid any design that has a yoke or anything breaking the length. But if you still want to wear some style that has to have a yoke, then keep the color same as the remaining flare. Having two different colors for the yoke and the flare part will break the vision and divide your body in smaller parts, hence making you look even shorter. So keep the color uniform from top to hem. Almost everybody keeps telling short-heighted people to stick to single color outfits, which is correct too, because it actually works. When you are wearing a single color from top to toe, then of course it will create an illusion of length. But wearing absolutely single colored outfits all the time can become boring. So what you can do is try monochromatic colors, means light and dark tones of a single color. This will give you a variation in color without breaking the vision due to any sharp contrast. You can wear a churidar pajami with an A-line or in fact any kurta. If you want to wear a palazzo, then avoid very wide bottom. It might give you a boxy look and make you look shorter. Rather go for some narrow palazzo or wear them with heels. Or even better, wear narrow pants. Narrow or cigarette pants look really nice with kurtas. Don't use bold or very big embroidery motifs in any outfit. Instead, go for smaller prints and delicate embroideries. These won't dominate your petite frame. Okay, so that was all about kurtas and anarkalis. Something that's most trending these days are crop tops. I feel as if these are just meant for short-heighted people. Pair any high-waist bottom like a skirt or a palazzo with crop tops. If you would wear a low-waist bottom, then your legs are gonna look shorter. You're already short, whereas high-waist bottoms will create an illusion of longer legs and make you look taller. But if you pair them with any mid-length or a long top, then again it will divide your height. So prefer wearing short top. Try getting all of these styles that I just told you in soft fabrics only and not in stiff fabrics like silk and all. Flowy fabrics give a leaner and a taller look because our vision also tends to flow down along with the flowing fabric. Last one, and actually the most obvious one, is wear heels. especially the one with a pointed toe and not with a rounded toe. And if possible, then prefer nude shades, something that matches your skin tone. Such colors make the shoe also look like an extension of your body itself and gives a taller look overall. You are definitely gonna feel a difference in your own appearance once you implement these tips. And if you don't, then anybody you meet on a regular basis will surely point out how much taller you are looking. If you like this video, then do let me know in the comments below. And I would love it if you like and share it with all your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video.